everyone! Today I'm going to share with you a recipe of an appetizer dip that I love, hummus. Here's what you need for this recipe. 2 cups of freshly cooked chickpeas with some of its broth in it, half a cup of tahini paste, the juice of 1.5 lemons, half a cup of fresh cilantro. I'm using a little bit more because I really love cilantro, 4 large cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, some pepper and salt to taste, and then we'll need some olive oil, some cayenne, olives, and the extra cilantro for decoration. You'll need a food processor as well, tahini paste, fresh cilantro, garlic, the lemon juice, olive oil, the cumin powder, salt, pepper. You can always try it later and see if it needs more, but I tried to put just enough at once. And now it's time to blend. And that's it. The hummus is ready. It smells amazing. And I smell the garlic, which I love. I'm so excited about this because this is something I really, really love. Now we're just gonna spread it on the plate. And now we're just going to decorate it. So some olives. And then some cilantro for presentation. Some cayenne pepper just for color. And then I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil. Beautiful. There you go. You can serve your hummus with fresh vegetables, chips, or pita bread. I like to serve mine with pita bread triangles. I put them in the oven a few minutes just to get them crisp, and that's how I like to eat my hummus, with the pita bread. Bon appetit! Oh, so good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Try out the recipe, let me know what you think. And don't forget, keep up with Linda.